on, y'all? Hope everyone's having a good holidays. So I'm gonna give you guys a little POV in the C8. Showing what it's like to daily drive one of these things, driving experience. Can you enjoy the power, features I don't like, stuff I hate, stuff I love, all that stuff. So first, let's get inside. First things first, dope little animation that they show on the screen. I love that. So cool. So when you do the remote start, when you get in, you gotta put your foot on the brake and press the engine start button still, just to get everything going on the inside. But let's get started. Let's get on the road. So we're in manual mode, which is the mode I would suggest if you want to have fun in this thing, or the most fun. Because you don't even have to go fast. If you play around with the paddle shifters, you could have so much fun in this car. It's crazy. What's going on? That exhaust note, crazy. Like, it's funny how quiet the car can be. Like, if you're in the higher gears, like 5 and 6, you can barely hear the thing. But then of course, you give it to the gas, you're gonna hear it. But the difference when you're like playing around with the paddle shifters, like, crazy. Like, you'll watch. Whole different vibe. Down here. I like how this dope thing you'll see is that your display will indicate when the best time to shift is for acceleration. And it's so satisfying when you hit it at the right time. Like, it makes it feel like a video game. That's like one of my favorite things about shifting. The paddles feel nice and like chunky when you're pressing on them. It's satisfying to press on. They don't feel I know some people complain about them, but I actually like the feel of them. So there's a safety feature in here to protect the transmission, so if you're messing around, it's not gonna let you jump all over gears no matter how fast you're going and destroy the transmission. Like, it's gonna protect the transmission. So that's a cool thing. If you're worried about playing around with the paddle shifters, don't worry. Like, it's not gonna let you destroy the transmission. So it's a good way to kind of learn where you're good at. And you don't have to go in manual mode. You can go use the paddle shifters in auto. The only thing is that if you don't shift within like 5 seconds, I believe, it starts shifting for you automatically. Rocks. Let's go over here. There's a corner up here that I want to hit. That would be fun. Actually, let's go Z mode. Z mode is the mode right below track mode. That's when the shifts get more aggressive, engine gets a little louder, steering's tighter, suspension's tighter, all that stuff. Nice brakes. Ooh, oh, ooh, baby Lord, them lights is bright. Sheesh. This is a car that'll put a smile on your face, no doubt, no doubt. You, like, 490 horsepower isn't, well, actually, what am I talking about? That is a lot of horsepower. And that's crazy to say in today's standard. It's not really, because of what you see. Like, you see 4s all the time, 450s and 5s and 6s. But the 400 feels so different when the engine's behind you. And that weight distribution that gives you that crazy acceleration and torque, like the balance of the power is like the way it's delivered is so different. Like it's totally different experience. Centered on the ground. You're not like, that's not like terrifying, you know? I don't feel like the car's gonna spin out from under you. You're just like planted so firmly on the ground. Ooh, that was lovely. love those little grumbles you get when you downshift. So the car sounds best at like 200 degrees ish, but it's hard to stay at that because it does such a good job of keeping the engine cool. So there it is. Yeah, love them grumbles, man. And when I was talking about visibility, like out the front, visibility is great. Like the front's really low, so you can see in front of you, like fantastic. Sides, like nothing crazy. It's not like tiny, but it's really just that back, because you got that. I got the wing right there. Then the way that hatch is in the back, it's really tight. And then you got that blind spot on the right side. Other than that, no serious complaints. That acceleration like really puts you back in your seat. Like, it's so hard to explain the difference you feel when you're getting pushed versus pulled. Let's go track mode. So that's when the shifts get most aggressive. Oh, around these turns is where this car lives, man. That's where you feel that G-force the most. You got someone who gets dizzy easy. You don't want them in the seat, passenger seat. Love that scream you get at the high RPMs. See, look, and then you got down to fifth gear, cruising. Barely hear anything, right? Suspension's great, like it handles bumps and everything. Even in track mode, it's really comfortable, honestly. It's still tight, but you can still daily drive this no problem. I'm surprised how comfortable it is, honestly. Tend to prefer the display in sport mode versus track mode. I like the look of track mode. I think it's cool. I mean, you don't get that green flash when it's time to shift, which I like. Which I don't know if you get it here. I haven't noticed that, but it's just not the same, Some little crackle and pops. Like our rear right tire, and the left, honestly, could use a little bit of air. I'm guessing on the way to work. If you got like a 15-20 minute drive to work, you can have fun in this, especially if you, I mean, as long as you're not like stuck in traffic tight. But yeah, you can have some real fun in this, daily driving this, no problem. My guy, getting that corner kind of hard there. Bruh. What if they're... Sounds so good in the garage. This has a with this dual clutch transmission, you can hold both the paddle shifters. It'll put you in neutral, so this will allow you to rev, like so you just hold these down like that. You can just give them some revs. Ooh, sounds so brutal, bro. Crackles and pops. Sounds dope. We're gonna go back to sport right there. That's the other thing, getting out too can be a pain on your knees. The car does that honking thing when you step outside of it with the engine running and your keys in your pocket. So, yeah, man. Let me know what y'all think of the Vette. She just gave me a thumbs up. I think she likes it too. So, well, let me know what y'all think of the Vette. Would you daily drive this? You like videos like this? Let me know in the comment section. I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Peace. Happy New Year.